How to delete account on Tinder. Hello everyone, this is Reshma and welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you how to delete account on Tinder. Before getting started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection and make sure your Tinder application is up to date. Go ahead and tap on Tinder application, as this will lead to this kind of screen interface. On this discovery feed, you can explore person if you like one. As you can see different icon on the bottom. From there you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner. As this will lead you to my Tinder profile. Tap on the setting icon on the top right corner. So these are the settings that I can manage on my Tinder. If you scroll down to bottom, you can easily locate delete account option. Go ahead and tap on it. And here it will give you two options whether you want to delete your account or browse your account. Here we are trying to delete our account, so we have to tap on delete my account option. After that, in the habit screen, you have to choose one of the reasons. Again, tap on delete my account option and you are good to go. You have easily deleted your account on Tinder. If you have any doubt and queries related to this topic, you can simply ask us on the comment section. I hope you found this tutorial video informative and easy. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. And also press the notification bell so you won't be missing any update from us.